Good. Now, before proceeding, first of all, those who are ACCA students, the last date to book the exam for September term is 2nd August. This time, for September exam, they are actually taking, giving the option to the students to give exam from center-based or to give exam remote-based sitting in home. Whether it is center-based, then also computer-based. It is not pen and paper-based. Pen and paper-based exam is not there in any international course, not only ACCA, any international course. So, in center, you will be going on a screen, you will be giving exam on a screen. In home, you will be sitting on a screen and you will be giving exam on a screen. Personally, if you ask me, giving exam in exam center is advisable. There are 2-3 reasons for this. Suppose you know that in the entire India, for the time being, there is a huge weather conditions is not good, neither in Kolkata, neither in most of the places of India. Suppose because of that, the internet is disrupted, or maybe the electricity is not there. Who will face the burden of this? I am. Because I am sitting in home, I need to manage my resources, my electricity, internet and everything. It's not a tension if my exam is not concluded, if my exam is not finished, then institute will give me money back. There is no problem. Even the institute has given the money 50% back to those students who passed the exam. You know that. Even though you gave the exam, you cleared the exam, you passed the exam, still they have given 50% money. Because they found that the IUs face problem, not because of its own issue, because of the institute issue. So they realized that it's a bad will on the student, institute, and they have refunded 50% money. So many students, those who faced a problem while giving the exam, because of the institute has refunded 50% money to all the students. I mean to say that if suppose you will say in my exam, in Kolkata we have exam center for fundamental level students, that is F1, F2, F3, foundation level student. Suppose a student came in my exam center, for giving the exam. Now, during that time, if the internet is not there, still the exam will continue. Because the internet is not there, the exam is not getting off. By the time he will finish the exam, at the end, at the time of submitting the paper, the internet should be there. By that time, we can do so many things. My staff and all that maybe can arrange a mobile internet or anything. Just for submitting. Because during the exam, when he is giving exam, we are invigilating him. That is he using any unfair means. When we are allowing the student to come in my exam center, in my tuition center for giving exam, the exam software is sent, is received by Saraf Academy from UK in the pen drive. To install that software, we used our computer programmer. That is the person who regularly do the maintenance. He is not my staff. He is an outside party. I need to engage him. Then only the exam software was installed in my machine. Because of that reason, even though there is internet problem, the exam will continue. Even though there is electricity generator is there, exam will continue. So all the arrangements are there so that the student exam will not be cancelled. Even in that case also, one time for last 1.5 year, 2 year, only one time there was a student whose exam got cancelled. Even in the exam center also. The institute refunded him the money and he gave the exam again. That's other thing. But if you are giving exam on remote basis, everything you need to manage. Your internet, your electricity, your everything. And if you are giving exam on remote based, suppose for 1 or 2 minutes you are looking at that place. institute will cancel your exam. Institute will take adverse action. There are many students, maybe they are not at fault, but the institute is not announced their results. And in the past, there are 2-3 students in our case also, they were asked by the institute to give reason why they were doing like this. But when you are in the exam center, you can see 2 minutes there. There is no problem because somebody physically invigilating you. So all these things says that we should be giving exam in exam center, not in home. That's my understanding. Now suppose we are booking the exam for exam center based, but the corona condition is very bad in September. Maybe nobody knows, you student, mane institute, nobody knows. Suppose the corona condition is very bad, institute will convert your exam from center based to remote based. You can even after booking the exam convert your exam from center based to remote based to center based. But in the center the places are limited because most of the centers are not operating because of corona. So if somebody want to book the exam center based, they cannot wait for 2nd August. They need to book the exam now, because the centers are less, and because of that the center will finish as soon as possible. So now in that case you need to book exam remote based only. Personally, if you ask me, students should book exam center based. If the problem will be there relating to corona, which nobody knows, then in that case you can convert your exam from center based to remote based. That is not a problem. And earlier up till now, they were not conducting the exams for professional level next week, because in remote based the exams were 2 weeks. First week if you could not give exam because of technical reason, second week they were allowing you. This time professional level also exam will be second week. They are trying their level best. So I mean to say that when we mailed it to all of you that book your exam today only, it's not that yesterday the last date was there. But I want that the students should not be taking tension that my exam is not getting booked and all that. Suppose Maharanava, you mailed, okay sir, I am not able to book the exam. Now you have booked, you mailed. But if there is any, suppose on the institute website, the exam is not getting booked, any problem, I always say in every batch, they have not said us what help we can give to the students. If you are facing a technical issue in booking the exam, every student need to mail to the institute students@accaglobal.com. Suppose an example, there is a student, he is graduate and he was not allowed exemptions by the institute based on graduation 4 paper. Then he mailed this to the institute, not now, he mailed it 10-12 days back. Name Muhammad Tabis, registration number, this document for exemption. Each institute is your friend. Each institute understand who is Mr. Tabis, what is his case. Why not we are writing properly to the institute that I applied for exemption based on graduation through Saraf Academy. On this date, I was asked to submit my mark sheet again. Then I have taken the mark sheet top, front end, back end for subject clarification. So please allow me exemption. I want to book exam for September. I am tensed. Why not we are writing like this? So that anybody who will open that mail will be able to understand that what is the case of Muhammad Tabis. There are lakhs and lakhs of students all over world in ACCA. You can just write your name and registration number. It's not logical. Suppose my team has drafted a mail for him. My name is Tabis, registration number is this. I have been registered through Saraf Academy on the basis of graduation, but I have been asked by the ACCA Institute to submit a certificate of BCom. I would like to mention that the certificate is not given by the university. Now, due to COVID, they can take at least 1 year to give that. PFA my mark sheet of graduation below with the front and back side, as front side of my mark sheet is only with the subject code. So I am attaching the back side of the mark sheet with the proper subject names. Kindly check my mark sheet and grant me 4 paper exemptions on the basis of graduation. Waiting for your prompt response in this regard and grant me 4 paper exemption. This is not written by me. This is written my team member by Madhu. You definitely connect with her. She is not commerce educated. She is science graduate. कॉमर्स नहीं पढ़ा है उन्होंने, बट इंग्लिश देखिए, Is this related with something that मेरा English खराब है, अच्छा है? What's the problem? When you are communicating to the institute, why you are not writing your facts fully? So if your exam is not booked, then mail to the institute students@accaglobal.com. You can see that in the first slide I have written that. In the first slide I have written that. For institute related query, please mail, always mail at students@accaglobal.com. In the first class, I take to the institute website to all the students. What are the papers? They will call, sir, paper kahan hai? Sir, kahan se paper karu? I don't like this. You are in the first class, which is a YouTube video freely uploaded, and you are calling from where I will do the mock paper. Then to in that case, that will be not possible to pass the exam. When you have any technical query, in which you understand, it's not that I don't want to solve. When you have any technical query relating to institute, even CMA US student also, they have not given us the right to solve your technical query which is related with them. Every student need to mail to the institute properly. My name is this, my registration number is this, I am facing this problem. I earlier mailed earlier also. Again I am mailing. This is my issue. This is the screenshot of the issue. I am not able to book the exam. You can keep a CC to us so that if the problem is not resolved for 2, 3, 4 days, which is normal case in any institute, then in that case we can connect with the Indian authority, Indian staff with whom we are connected regularly. We can help. But why that initially we will disturb them? Why not we will connect with the institute directly for any technical issue which is related with the institute website? Because even though you are telling me, I have to connect with them only, and they will say, you are not Maharanava, you are not Ayush, why you are communicating on their behalf, why they are not mailing directly? There are thousands of mails I have received from the institute which is saying that you can't communicate on behalf of students. The student has a separate registration number. They can communicate directly. Why you are saying on behalf of a student what we should do? This mail, when my team is giving to a student, this mail can be given by my team also, but they will not accept. They will not accept the mail given by us because we are not the registered student. Institute query you need to resolve with the institute only. You can always keep a CC. So that if the problem is not resolved in a reasonable time, then we can communicate with the Indian team. They will aggregate the issue to the UK team. But this solution cannot be done by Indian anybody. This solution can be done only by the ACCA UK team. If suppose I am giving exam, I am not able to open the software, there is any technical issue I am facing during giving exam, you have to communicate with ACCA Institute. When you are booking the exam and you are receiving confirmation from them, they are giving you mail ID, they are giving you numbers. Why we are not connecting at that numbers? Suppose the numbers nobody is picking, you have to mail. Even though you are telling me or my team, we don't have any right, we don't have any authority to help you in that regard. We have just been informed, communicate to the students. If there is any technical query, they need to mail to the students@accaglobal.com with their registration number, name, detail, screenshot of the issue, whatever. We will take care as soon as possible. And for the exam, so they have made more separate mail ID, separate phone numbers, because we are communicating them. Suppose in September, so many students called me in June. That sir, मेरा exam का software नहीं खुल रहा है, half an hour हो गया, what should I do? Then when I'm meeting with them, because there is learning partners meeting, there is a separate meeting with the UK team, then I say them that what is this happening? That if half an hour a student is not able to open the exams software, there should be some help they will be getting. They are saying that sir, a student has been given the detail, the mail ID, the phone number, they should communicate at that. But they are not hearing. We understand that we are doing a course, but we need to be very practical enough. If you are sending any query, you are sending a query, you see, suppose this is student. From first class, I am saying how to send the query. From first class. 1 second. doubts in throughput. Question number 243, sweet battery, Kaplan exam kit. Okay. Now, first of all, he was asking without sending anything, how I will tell him. Somebody will say question number 243. अरे यार मेरे को याद है क्या? Can I remember question 243? Which one? What is the figures? Then to I am God. There are so many subjects, 13 subjects, so many other subjects also in CIMA, in CPA. How I will be able to remember a page number and this? You need to understand, I am also human being. You have to ask the query properly. Now sending the query question just, there is no query. Is he not understanding? Suppose, is he not understanding Sweet Bakery is a company? What is query? What is the question? What is the institute solution? What is your query? If you are not asking the query properly, how I will help you? Because suppose there are live subjects running. There are subjects which are not running live. A student can ask query for that also. Suppose this subject, suppose Ritika, you joined late. You were not giving exam in September. You are giving exam in December. It's not that you cannot ask query after September exam. Why? Till the time you are not giving exam, you can ask your query. Any subject. But you need to help me in asking the query. What is your question? Screenshot. Institute answer, screenshot. Your answer, screenshot. Your query, exactly where you have problem, so that I will be able to help you faster. Otherwise, so you can say that, sir, I am not able to understand the name of the company also. You have to raise the query properly. Then I will be able to help you. If there are small queries, you can ask in WhatsApp, there is no problem. But if there are so many big things are there, how I will see in the WhatsApp? It is better that the query to be sent here. This I say in the first class, how to raise the query. Take the screenshot of the question, take the screenshot of the answer, your answer, then your query properly. Then in that case, I will be able to help you in better way, much faster way. I mean to say that it's not a question of passing the exam and something. We need to be very practical. And that I said in the first class uploaded on YouTube. Somebody will say that, sir, I have seen first class video. What you have seen, man? What you are studying? What instructions you are following when I am writing in the first class, this, that and all that. Somebody, whenever I take first class, students say, sir, very well. But the same thing they are asking after 2 classes. How to study, what to study, how to approach. When in the first class I am giving 2 hours. How to study, what to study, how we will complete the course, from where to do the question, taking on the website, how I will be completing the syllabus, where we are at that time. Where? We need to be professional. And we need to give exam. We need to pass the exam. If I am already a good student, I need to score world rank. We need to improve better. I need to teach you better. If the way I taught in the previous batch, the same thing I will taught in this batch, then what is the difference? What is the benefit? Is this satisfaction will be coming in life? Money all have given. You all have given me money. But the question is not a monetary consideration. There is something beyond monetary consideration. So whenever you are having query related to the institute, raise the query properly. Mail them. 100% believe that they will reply you properly. If you are raising query to me, raise the query properly. The question is screenshot, answer shot, your answer. Entire question given. That means to understanding is that the student has not understood a single word. Then to how that student will going to pass the exam? When in the first topic only the student is facing problem, how all the topics he will be able to manage? Need to understand. So in nutshell, I am saying be more professional in your study, in your approach, in connection with anybody. There is a new addition in the syllabus everywhere, in all 13 subjects in ACCA. In PM also, APM also, every subject. Computer friendliness. That when in the exam hall, you will be opening different screen, different windows like you can see. Presently, so many windows are open. Always it is open. I can go here, I can go here. You all must be working. आप ये सोचिए कि in your practical world, forget about exam. Who is asking you to write something on a copy pen? Where? Where the work is going on copy pen? Nowhere in the world. But Indian exams, class 1 to graduation, Indian exams, whether it's Indian professional courses, all are pen and paper. Whereas all the kids my kid 8-year-old in 3rd class doing all the computer study which we are studying. And there are many places where he can beat me. But they are becoming such a perfect persons in computers. Where we will fight with them? How? When at the age of 8 years they are doing like this, how we will be able to sustain? So nobody can say that, sir, I don't like computer-based exam, this, that. You have to accept the change. In most of the world, from kids till the graduation and every exams are computer-based. The students are given iPad or you can say tab. They are studying on the tab in the classroom. They need to bring the tab, not because of corona. It's already since earlier. The study pattern has changed. When we will accept the change, that we need to understand. Whether in the classes, whether in the Indian course exam is pen and paper based. I don't think that. I have not purchased many times, I said, last 10 to 12 years, not a single physical material. There is Almira, in which materials are there. I am not opening that Almira, never. Again, my speed is not very good in the keyboard. I can't type without looking at ABCD. But that doesn't mean that I am a typer. I am a typist. No, I am not a typist. If my English is not good, I am not an English literature person. I am not a literature type of person. I have working knowledge of English, which is required for giving exam, which is required for communication with anybody. I am not an convent educated or English literature educated. We need to understand that. Are we following the instructions in the class, what I am saying? As I say always, whenever you join, it's my responsibility to make you understand. You join after 5 classes also. But suppose a topic is already running, a particular area. Suppose I have taught budgeting and it is already running. Some problem you will be facing in the current class. But once I will complete that, I will go in next area. There will not be any problem. You joined late, you do the recording from the old classes. Wherever you find problem, you can ask. It's not that you cannot ask from first class, this class is 14th class. You can't. You can. You can ask after 1 year also. There is no problem from my side. For asking something, you need to study in the right direction. Whatever direction I have given to all of you. If you follow that, you will grow in life. And according to me, passing the exam is not a big thing. Just by passing, not that we are going to get extra remuneration or everything. One of the student joined 2 years back I am saying. Completed in professional level, 2 papers, skill level complete, fundamental level. Started from beginning, 13 exams. Out of 13, 11 done. Only 2 left. There are students who started 2 years back, not even given a single exam. There are students who started 2 years back, given 4 or 5 exams. But why that somebody is able to complete 11 exams? Already joined a job, already earning 40,000 per month in his first job without becoming an ACCA. And he is going to complete the further 2 exams in 2 terms, ACCA, within 2.5 years. The graduation is still not complete. Graduation exam is next month, he will give, and in the next 2 exams, he will complete within 2.5 years, completed ACCA. So I should give example of that, or I should give example of that which for last 2 years not giving a single exam. We need to understand. Nobody is going to help you. You have to help yourself. I have to help myself. And if your brain is less, your brain is average, your brain is above average, believe me, I can tell you with guarantee, I can explain you everything in the class, whether your brain is whatever level. But then you need to support with proper study. If you follow my instructions, there will not be any problem to anybody. But raising illogical queries is a waste of time. Na? So many things need to manage. Other than whatever we are teaching in the class. So many things, because entire business is dependent upon me. So many things are there. Similarly, you have so many things to manage. Other than study, your family and all that. You need to be professional in your approach. And don't hear about bad persons or bad things somebody could not clear. Somebody will fail. It's not that everybody will pass. But the problems are there with that person. He has not given proper efforts. Most of the students who could not pass, then in that case, they are accepting their fault. But some of the students says that, sir, mera to bahut badhiya tha. Institute is not taking any adverse action. And this time, I don't know exact percentages, which I will be able to tell today or tomorrow. I think result is very, very good. Very good. Because somebody who gave exam for 2.5 hours, Then mitigating circumstances, they have complained to the student, institute. In 2.5 hours, how much paper he has done, he or she. What score he has obtained in 2.5 hours. On that basis, a student has analyzed his performance for 3 hours also. For some of the students, it's just a percentage of few students. But then result is very good in ACCA this time. I too found that the failures are not there at all. They are not there at all. So it's not a difficult exam. If somebody is not passing, there is introspection need to be done. It's not that when I have not passed the exam, everything is, I mean to say, nothing is left for me. Not that. Exam is just an exam. Somebody passed, somebody didn't pass. That's not the result. Final result is not this. I mean to say that if you have not passed, you need to see where I am lagging, what I need to do, what instructions given in the class not followed, or somebody not taking class, could not pass, then in that case, what should be done? Where are my weak areas? Need to work. Can I do selective study? No. Entire syllabus need to be studied properly and to be given the exam. CMA student, appearance of the exam is very less. They don't give exam at all. ACCA students, at least some percentage is there who are giving exams. But the percentage is very low what it should be for giving exam. A student says at the time of June, we will give exam in September. Now when my team is calling them, they are saying December. That means they are thinking never the December will come. Like that, never will happen. If you have not started study properly up till now, you can easily start your study with full gear, 4 or 5 gear. Give the exam of ACCA, give the exam of CMA US, there is no problem. Because ample of time is there to study properly. Suppose you have not started study up till now, slightly study more. As compared to you would have started study 1 month back, then in that case you need to study less. But since you are starting after 1 month, slightly you need to give extra efforts. But deferring the exam is not a logic, because deferring will continue forever. It's upon us what we want to achieve. So for my query, raise the mail, raise the query properly. For institute query, raise the query properly and book the exam today only. That's my advice, center based. If you like that I will be able to manage my internet, electricity, everything on my own, I don't want to go in center because of Corona, you can, there is no problem. But if you want to book exam center base, you need to book as soon as possible. For that reason, we mailed it to all of you today only. Many students said, sir, last date है क्या? अरे नहीं है मेरे भाई. आप ही 4 days बाद फोन करेंगे, सर सेंटर भर गया. तो what should I do? What can I do? For that reason, what should be done after 4 days? Why not to complete now? That we need to understand. All the best, very best from my side to all of you. Those who are not giving exam, they are doing bad things. Everybody should be giving exam, because never the perfect time will come. And I need to pass, I need to grow in life, I need to achieve something in life. Wherever you have problem, I am there. But always raise your query in the right direction. That's my request. Anybody has any questions so that we can start our study relating to exam, booking and all that? So we are moving. Thank you.